distinguished chairman, my name is Ambassador Philip Ikurusi from Bayelsa State, and I am the media.
Nominees before us are career ambassadors and ambassadors before, and also the last among the nominees, Reno, is somebody that I personally know for the past 25 years. Can vouch for his character. Therefore, Mr. Chairman, I again want to move that these nominees take a bow and go. I so move.
Indume Ningi, Senator Shomole, Senator Anao, Senator Ned.
Mr. Chairman, sir.
Mr. Senator Ningi, I want to specifically talk on my younger brother Lele. I've been known him all his life, and we've followed his both educational and qualificational movement. And I want to confide the Senate that he is a very good ambassador and he will do a good job for this nation. Lele Mohammed. Lastly, you are not the chairman. Let me have my time. Lastly, nominees, your credentials are all here. The secretariat of this committee is still perusing these credentials. Petitions are still being received. What you are doing here as a committee is 50% job done. The other job is the full confirmation by the Senate. Having taken a bow today does not guarantee you clearance by the Senate until when the Senate say so. Thank you very much.
There was a precedence. The serving ambassadors, the 4 ambassadors could take a bow and go. And if we have any question to ask the nominee Omokri, we could. If not, we could also tell him to take a bow and go. But there was a motion.
There was a motion, yes.
There is the amendment to the motion is that the 4 ambassadors who are already on seat should take a bow or go, as has been done since yesterday. Then if there is any other thing, the 5th person could also be asked to go.
No, there's a motion already.
Until you are called, you cannot shut me down.
No, he's not talking to you. He wasn't talking to you.
Let the chairman preside.
He wasn't talking to you. 1 minute.
These are people.
Okay, go ahead.
There's a motion on ground. You can either defeat the motion or let it survive.
But all right, so how come you have other people have spoken?
Senator Adams, he wasn't. Go ahead.
I have the authority of the chairman.
Please go ahead.
Chairman, you cannot exercise power that you don't have.
You don't exercise.
Chairman, I want to thank you, Senate leader and my colleagues.
This is how you ridicule the Senate.
I cannot be intimidated by people who go here and there. After all, we see people on television questioning this list.
Please ask
Mr. Chairman, sir.
The procedure is that if there is a motion on ground, it should be seconded. If it is not seconded, it's dead.
It's dead. So allow me to continue. Mr. Chairman, you have allowed me. Please protect me.
Senator Adams, conclude. Your time is going. Conclude.
All right. Mr. Chairman, I think I needed to speak on this in the public interest. With particular reference to the nominee, Reno. Because we cannot pretend we have not had stories.
We can't work on stories.
For me.
There is no petition before the
for me.
Look, this is
for me.
You should not return the Senate. Don't Allah can commit the Senate. Senate is not a job. Senate.
The power of example that he is a pragmatist. He is not detained by old feelings. You may have doubt, suspicion about anyone until you have the opportunity to so perform. Indeed, you don't know anyone until you give him the driver's, you hand over to him the steering of a vehicle. This young man has shown that where he sees a compelling evidence in the interest of the Nigerian nation, he will not be ashamed to say that I was wrong in my assumption. From what I have seen, this man is working and he deserves the support of all those who want progressive governance. The second side of the argument is that we have a president. We have a president who has shown that by the power of example, the minimum requirement of leadership, and here I will proudly say I was a governor, which is a head of a subnational government. And so when I talk, those who are not be governors should listen.
Governors come to Senate. After
You have to have,
governors, you struggle to
Your Excellency, you have to have that large heart.
become a senator.
You have to have, for me, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has showed a real quality, that the fact that you criticize me during the election, the fact that you abuse me at what time was
Senator Adams, you made your point very clear. There is a motion. Please, Senator Adams, you made your point clear. There is a motion in place. Any seconder?
Okay. Come on, let me conclude. The president has showed large heart and deserves to be commended because he's now a president of all Nigerians.
We commend Mr. President. We commend Mr. President. Joel, second. Joel.
Colleagues, distinguished colleagues, my name once again
In favor. Okay. Senator Ndime, are you wait. Okay, Senator Ndime, are you opposed to Omokri's nomination?
no.
Senator Shomon, are you opposed to the nomination?
I've seconded it over and over 100%.
So you're on the same page.
You're on the same page.
Put the question.
Discussion colleagues, a motion has been moved and seconded. Those in support say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Take a back.